Hello बच्चों, so let us see this question. A reduction in the number of platelets can lead to, अगर platelets का count हमारे blood के अंदर reduce हो गया, so that can result in blood coagulation inside vessels, clotting disorders, excessive loss of blood from the body, and both B and C. So these platelets, they are called as thrombocytes. The main function of platelets is that it helps in forming a clot. Okay. If the count of platelet is reduced, अगर platelets की count कम हो जाएगी, then it results in a condition that is called as thrombocytopenia. और अगर count बढ़ जाता है, then it is called as thrombocytosis. Now the basic function of platelet, the basic function of platelets is to stop bleeding by forming a clump. I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है. By forming a clump and thereby forming a blood clot. Okay, so if there is any deficiency or decrease in the count of platelets, so that would result in blood coagulation inside the vessels? No. Why? Because the function of platelet is to form a blood clot, and if the platelet count is reduced, then definitely blood would fail to coagulate. So ये option A तो नहीं हो सकता. Clotting disorders, yes, अगर platelets का count कम है तो जो clot formation है उसमें difficulty होने लगेगी. So yes, clotting disorders होंगे. अगर clotting disorders होंगे, so there would be excessive loss of blood from the body. So this option is also right कि अगर platelets का count reduce हो गया, so there would be clotting disorders, there will be excessive loss of blood from the body. So यहाँ पर हमारा right answer हो जाएगा option D, that is both B and C statements are right. So the right answer here is option D. I hope this question is quite clear to you. Best of luck, students.